Good morning, Miss Dizzy. How are you?
I am wonderful. Give me those 60 seconds of style.
Well, listen, this morning we are talking about Back to the Future, bringing simplicity and detail back to our wardrobe. Of course, it's Sunday morning. Everybody is getting dressed. I want to give 2 quick tips for our men and our women. First of all, for the men, today we're going to talk about pocket squares, the suit signature. Your suit is the document, and the pocket square is what's going to seal the deal. It's going to bring that detail to it. The days of the matching tie and pocket square are over. We're getting a little bit more jazzy, and we're bringing in different patterns. So if you're like me and you like custom pocket squares, you have your own custom look. For the ladies, we're going to talk about accessories. I'm kind of old school when it comes to some of the basic rules of fashion, and I can remember, back in the day, they would say, before you leave the house, take one thing off. So what I'm going to say to our ladies today is it's all about the art of editing. It's better to have one simplistic piece than a multiplicity of bangles and jewelry. So, you can jazz up that suit this morning or that dress that you have on by just adding 1 or 2 signature pieces. So that is our 60 seconds of style for today.
Oh, thank you so much. So take some of them bangles off. Stop clanking all around.
Just take one thing off. It's all right.
All right. Thank you so much, Cameron Washington, lifestyle expert, and your station is
Praise.